Next, I will explain to you the installation tutorial of LEGO Polaroid OneStep SX-70 Camera 21345 Standard Version Light Kit. This tutorial is divided into 3 sections to complete the installation of the light group. You can adjust the playback speed suitable for you under the software. Section A. Check the type and quantity of components. Confirm the quantity according to the label on the upper right corner of the bag. Section B. Test that each component is working properly. Please prepare 3 AAA batteries if it is necessary to use the battery case. LED strip test. Take out the LED strip in the bag. Turn on the mobile power supply, the light will be on normally. Please put the normal parts back into the bag temporarily after the test. Please test other components in the same way. If you encounter any problems during the test process, please contact the seller in time. Section C. Laying out components following the instruction. Our material is very small, but not fragile. Just be reminded that don't to pull the wires too hard. We will show more similar products at the end of the video. If you like it, you can go to the store to buy it. Thank you for watching. We are also happy to see any comments and suggestions. If you encounter any problems during the installation process, please contact the seller in time. The installation is complete. Connect the power and try it.